Good morning. We're going to make a 3-ingredient fudge, and it's going to be peppermint. And what you need is a 12-ounce bag of white chocolate chips, your choice. You need a bowl, and you need some frosting. It says a certain brand, Duncan Hines, but get whatever you want. That's what I say, whatever your budget can afford. So you need some spoons, you need some green gel, food coloring, and you need some red. You need 2 bowls, and you need a skew to swirl it. So watch me, and if you have any questions, put down the description box below. I make many different fudges, and I am going to put a dab of pure peppermint extract in. So here we go. We're going to put this in, just like that. And we're going to put it in the microwave over here, and we're going to melt it. We're going to try it right there. And then we're going to put the frosting in. And we're going to stir it. And then we're going to put food coloring in each one of these bowls. And we could start doing that. Just like this. Let's put a good glob right in, just like that. That would be the green. I think that's going to be more than enough. Let's open the red here. And this here is a Christmas red that I have. Get working with food coloring, and guess what? It could stay on your hands. I'm almost out. I guess I'll have to go and get some more. Just like that. Let's see, what are we going to use here? 3 different spoons here. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's kind of cool here in Maine. It was like 8 degrees this morning, I think. So it's cool, but that's all right. We live in Maine. Get everything we can out of the container. This one here is now empty. So hopefully it'll be red enough, I hope. If not, I might just take a little liquid and put it in. So I can get some more of this off. Nope, I guess I can't. So now it's time to get the chips out here. And we're gonna stir them and see how they look. Looks like they need some more time. They definitely do, so we'll pop them back in. Just like that. And also what you want to do is you want to take an 8x8 pan. I spray the bottom of it and put aluminum foil or parchment paper. And when you spray the bottom, it holds your parchment paper so it's not sliding all around. So that's a good thing, just like that. So you need 3 bowls, 1 for your white, 1 for your red, and 1 for your green. But I'm going to use the bowl that I'm melting the chips in now. Okay, see how they're doing here. Don't want to burn them either. There. They're melting right up good, just like that. I have a pretty big microwave with a lot of wattage, and it's going on 2 minutes. I dare say the way it's going, it's probably going to take 3 minutes to do that bag. I'm really, really surprised because I've got the highest wattage microwave there is. Well, I'm also going to do a collab. I wanted to do it this week, but I'm not sure. Is anybody interested in doing a collab with me? And if you are, put in the comments below, I'm interested. I've got a few things and I'd like to discuss with you. I've thrown it out to a few people, but they don't make this particular thing, so I may just change it all up. So if you're interested in the collab, put in the comments below, I'm interested. So let's check again. It looks like it's all melted here. Let me see. Oh yeah. And this takes about an hour to 2 hours in the refrigerator to set up. So that's what this looks like. Then you're going to take your frosting, just like this. Put it all in here. Back in my younger days, I could stand here and take a spoon and just eat the frosting. I love frosting. There, I think I got everything out of there. So, it's like that. I'm gonna keep this. Just looking at the time here. And we're just going to mix that right in, the frosting. So we got the white chips and the frosting in. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it real well. Okay. Then we're going to plop some in the red. We're going to plop some in the green. Kind of even it all out. And then I'm going to leave some white. Okay? Just like that. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to take some white and just put it just like that. Then I'm going to stir the red right up here just like this. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be all stirred because you're going to swirl it anyways. Just like that. We're going to take a little bit and we're going to plop it just like that. Then we're going to take the green. Oh, I hear the birds out there this morning. We put 10 trees outside last night and got lights on them. So we've been busy. How many of you have started your Christmas cooking? I'm not going to cook too much this year for our family for Christmas. And there's the green right there. Isn't that pretty? But you know what? Not quite sure when I'm going to put the peppermint in. I do it different all the time. Okay, and then we're just going to go back and we're going to alternate. We're going to put some white there. Just plop it every which way. Put it just like that. And we're going to use some red right here. Whoa. I'll put some white over here in a corner. Some white there. Use it all up good. What's everybody going to have for meal on Thanksgiving? I'm not sure, but I think we're going to do finger rolls here. Not sure, but I think that's what I'm going to do anyways. Okay. Just like this. And all we got is the green and the red. The green over here. And we'll put a little bit of green there. And some more there. We'll put some red. And we'll put some red. just kind of put it all over the place. Just like that. There. Try to get everything that we can. Just like that, and then it goes in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Just like that. And the peppermint, what I'm gonna do, about a cap full like this, and I'm just gonna dabble it on just like that. How do you like that? We'll see how that's gonna come out. I was gonna put it in the mixture, but I decided not to. Ooh, that peppermint smells good. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna swirl it all up. Just like this. Doesn't that look pretty? So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to bring you back after it sets up. So don't go far. Okay folks, I'm back. I don't have my hat on or my apron. I've been doing other things and had some company. But here it is. It's all ready. I like to use a pizza cutter, and we're going to cut it just like this. See how nice that cuts? Cuts right through, very nice. Just like that. I'm just gonna cut a couple of rows and show you. Actually, I don't always cut a very good straight line, but I do the best I can. And I'll show you what I do. Okay, once it's cut, like I said, this cutter works great. And look at that. I'm gonna put it in here. If I can pick this big piece up here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good and yummy? You blend it in very well. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna cut this up. I mean, you can use a knife too, but I just use a pizza cutter. To me, it works great. Stick it right in, just like this. And I'll fill the whole tray like this. There you have it right there, and I'll fill it all up. And please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize this. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. So stay tuned. God bless. See you tomorrow.